Eastern Hardeman County in West Tennessee, McNairy County in West Tennessee, Chester County in West Tennessee, until midnight Central Daylight Time. At 11:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Massaville, or 9 miles south of Chickasaw State Forest, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Henderson, Selmer, Chickasaw State Forest, Chickasaw State Park, Adamsville, Fullerton, Massaville, Jacks Creek, Robertson, McNairy, Bethel Springs, Middleton, Eastview, Toone, Hornsby, Finger, Stantonville, Milledgeville, Enville, and 40 Forks. A tornado watch remains in effect until 1 a.m. Central Daylight Time for West Tennessee. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 1 a.m. Central Daylight Time for West Tennessee. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until midnight Central Daylight Time Saturday for the following counties in Tennessee: Chester, Hardeman, and McNairy.